place I'll always cherish, 'neath that blue Atlantic skies, where the shores down in Cape Breton bids a golden sun to rise, and the fragrance of the apple blossom sprays a dew-kissed love, back in dear old Nova Scotia, the place where I was born. The Scotian and the Ocean Limited and the Maritime Express, their mighty engines throbbing makes her way towards the west, where the sturdy fishing spinners wave so lazily to and fro. Nova Scotia is my sanctuary and I love it so. Far across the great Dominion I have traveled far and wide, where the shores out in Vancouver kiss the blue Pacific tide. I've crossed the snow-capped Rockies, saw the wheat fields golden blaze, headed back to Nova Scotia where contented cattle graze, where the pretty robin redbreast seeks its loved ones in the trees, and the French dialect in old Quebec keeps calling out to me. It seems to say, be on your way, there's a welcome at the door, where the kinfolks are awaiting on that gay Atlantic shore. Beautiful New Brunswick and across to PEI, to the rock-bound coast of Newfoundland, I'll love them till I die. But if God came here on earth with us and asked if he could rest, I'd take him to my Nova Scotia home, the place I love the best.